Here are the latest features on the Linux Mint 21.2 Victoria release. Welcome back to another video from TuxCare, where we give you the latest Linux and open source news. The Mint team has announced the new version of their OS, Linux Mint 21.2, codenamed Victoria. This release is a long-term support version that will receive continuous support until 2027. As with previous versions, Victoria is available with the Cinnamon, Xfce, and Mate desktop environments. As the second installment in the Linux Mint 21 series, this release is based on the long-term supported Ubuntu 22.04 LTS operating system run by Canonical. Across all editions, the Victoria release introduces a global dark mode setting, XDG desktop portal support for improved compatibility with Flatpak apps. This release enhances the visual appearance of the distribution by introducing new folder icons with different color variants. Other notable changes include full support for HEIF and AVIF images. You can download the ISO for Linux Mint 21.2 Victoria at their official website right now. If you want to learn more, be sure to like and subscribe.